Hello and welcome. Today we'll be discussing syllable words. I can use rules to decode multi-syllable words. Words with one syllable. You have learned many one-syllable words. Clap once you say them. Here are some of the words that we want to clap out. You have jump, smile, girl, boy, kite, frog, dog, and cat. Many words have several syllables. It's important to know how to decode these words. There are so many books to choose from. I'm glad I can read them. Hearing syllables. Listen to these words. How many syllables do you hear? Hint, each syllable contains a vowel. Vowel teams are counted as the vowel as well. How many syllables do you hear in the word pillow? 2. How about television? There's 4. Candle. 2. Watermelon. There's 4. Mailbox. There's 5. School. There's 1. Basket. There's 2. Umbrella. There's 3. Daughter. There's 2. Principal. There's 3. Common rules to divide syllables. There are some common rules to help you divide syllables. Knowing these will make you successful when you decode multi-syllable words. On the next few slides, we will review and practice them. Compound words, CV, VC, consonants with the LE, double consonants, and watch for prefixes and suffixes. Compound words have 2 or more syllables. You can combine 2 one-syllable words to make compound words. Dog plus house equals doghouse. Mail plus box equals mailbox. Compound words have 2 or more syllables. Drag the picture to complete the compound word puzzles. Here's an example. Snow. Flake plus man equals snowman. What about this one? Spotlight. This first one is cupcake. Baseball. And rainbow. So I'm dragging the pictures now. Rainbow. This is a base for baseball. Cup for cupcake. And stop sign for stoplight. Okay. Listen to the letter sounds. When you break a longer word into syllables, you can sound out each part. When you blend them back together, you will be able to recognize the words you are reading. I hear 3 syllables. The letter sounds help me hear where each syllable ends. The vowels and the vowel teams are the hints that there are 3 syllables. Contraption. Contraption is the word. Looking at vowels and consonants, many words contain the pattern of vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. Words with this pattern divide between the two consonants. VCCV, basket, we have the vowel for the A here. And we broke this up into two, bask and kit. So this is the vowels, and these are the consonants, S and K, basket. Look for the VCC words. Drag the words to the trash can that don't follow the VCV rule. With the words that are left, divide them between the consonants. So cannon, turkey, mascot, and blanket. Those are all the VCCV words, okay? The ones that need to be in the trash can are banana, waved, and guitar. Okay? Sister also goes over here as a VCCV word. Double consonants. When you see a set of double consonants, that is where the syllables divides. Here we have summer. We broke it up into two syllables. Glue the words back together. We have follow, we have summer, we have paddle, we have yummy, we have traffic, we have matter, we have hobby, and we have tennis. Okay. Consonant LE. When you see the consonant LE pattern, divide before it. Candle. We split the words into two syllables here. We got can, and then we got dull. Drag the scissors to divide the words. So, we're going to divide these words. Circle, turtle, eagle, uncle, purple, bundle, jungle, table. Look for prefixes and suffixes. You have learned many common prefixes and suffixes. These are syllables to a root word. Prefix, root, suffix, unbreakable. Unbreakable. Practice decoding words with prefixes and suffixes. Drag words through the tunnel to see the words. Add them to the word wall. First word we have is care. The pre is care. The suffix is less. The word is careless. Here we have comfort. Now we have uncomfortable. Okay. that on the word wall. We have way, subway, prefixes is in white, the suffixes are in black. Returning, so we had turn, now we have the word returning. View, now we got preview. Do, now we have redo. Agree, now we have disagree. And cover, and we have discover. Put that here. Okay. Divide the word and decode it. Use the checklist to help. Ragamuffin. If we break it into syllables, we separate it right here. Our vowels are this A here, muff, and then thin. This word has 4 syllables. Let's try another one. This one is unicycle. Breaking it up into syllables will look like this. And this word has 4 syllables. Next we have underground. That's breaking it up and how it will look. Separating it with syllables. And this word has 3 syllables. Employment. This is how we break up employment. And this word has 3 syllables. True or false? Word parts are called syllables. If you said true, you are correct. Which is an example of a compound word? You said spaceship, you are correct. Which word shows the double consonant rule? You said Google, you are correct. Which word shows the VCV rule? If you said bandit, you are correct. How many vowels are in this word gigantic? You said 3, you are correct. Which word contains a prefix? You said rewind, you are correct. Which word contains a suffix? You said cheerful, you are correct. How many syllables are in this word? Spectacular. If you said 4, you are correct. How many syllables are in this word electricity? You said 5, you are correct. Which word shows the consonant LE rule? If you said table, you are correct. What did you learn? I can use rules to decode multisyllable words. Words are made of parts called syllables. Terrific has 3 vowels and double consonants. You did terrific. And this is terrific broken into syllables. Snap, clap, tap, stomp, or chomp. Spin the wheel to add movement to the syllables as you read each list of words. Use 5 names of your classmates.